Welcome to your FYE 101 Career Services Workshop, hosted by your CGCC Career Services team. In today's workshop, we will be discussing the importance of developing your career goals early on, building experiences that are in line with your career goals, and lastly, utilizing the available resources that are free to you on the CGCC campus. It is important to consider your career goals early on in your educational journey. Doing so can benefit you in many ways. Let's look at some of the things you should consider when deciding on a career field for yourself. One of the first things you should be asking yourself is how much education do you want? Some of you may want to earn a certification or an associate's degree and enter into the workforce. Others may be willing to earn a bachelor's, a master's, or even a doctorate degree if it means getting the job of your dreams. Different careers require different amounts of education, so it's important to know how much education is right for you. While we already touched base on how much education you want, here are some additional things you should be considering as well. How much money do you want to earn? You need to have a realistic expectation of not only what you want to earn, but also what you need to earn. Different careers offer different salary ranges, so adding this to your priority list is very important. What about benefits? Do you want a company to provide your medical, dental, and vision insurance? What about vacation time, sick time, or 401k contributions? Have you considered what drives you? What is your motivation for going to work or school every day? Perhaps it's helping others, making money, or doing something that you love. Other things to consider may be working from home with a hybrid schedule or having a position outdoors. Do you prefer to work nights, weekends, and holidays? Or would you prefer to have a Monday through Friday type of job with your weekends and holidays off? Maybe it's important to you to have a short commute, or perhaps your top priority is to have a career where you work on a dynamic team. Think about what is important to you and pause the video for a few minutes in order to write down the items that you would want on your priority list when it comes to your career. When it comes to developing your career goals early on, research shows that college students are more likely to graduate if they choose a major that aligns with their interests and their goals. Additionally, close to 80% of students do not set goals for themselves. This can lead to students changing their majors multiple times. Lastly, research also shows that between 40 and 50% of college graduates will have a job that is unrelated to their college major, meaning that almost half of all college graduates are not using their education directly in their careers. Additionally, research shows that close to 80% of people who set goals for themselves and then check in on the progress of those goals periodically are going to be more apt to achieve them. So in the end, choosing a major that aligns with your career goals is very beneficial. Not only does it help you build up the knowledge and skills you will need for your dream career, but it also can help you avoid taking unnecessary classes and acquiring more college debt. Once students have a clear sense of their career goals, the next step is understanding what employers value. Let's take a look at the key qualities hiring managers consistently seek. Employers will be considering minimum and desired qualifications, which include your education and your related experiences. Other top qualities include education in a related field, work experience in a related field, transferable skills, which are skills or qualities that can be transferred from one job to another. The ability to work on a team, which has become more important to employers due to social skills deteriorating during the pandemic. A positive attitude, leadership experience, and strong verbal and written communication skills. Employers have told us that technology is one of the hardest things to teach new employees. Not only that, but technology changes every single day. Therefore, it's important to stay up to date on technology. Employers also value individuals who can problem solve. Lastly, it's important that you have an understanding of the particular work field you are entering and its language. For instance, if you are going into the computer field, you should know terms such as C++, Python, and JavaScript. During your college journey, you will acquire many tools, including education, experience, knowledge, skills, networking, and more. But where do you start? Your experiences matter. Seek opportunities that help you stand out when you apply for jobs. We recommend building experiences that connect your major to your career goals. Participate in clubs and organizations on campus. Volunteer. Complete an internship and accept jobs related to your prospective field. Try new things outside your comfort zone to build your resume. Show employers that you can be adaptable in a quickly changing professional landscape. Broaden your horizons by working with diverse populations. And always take time to reflect on how your experiences connect to your career goals. By participating in different experiences, you will develop valuable transferable skills. Developing your career goals early on is very important. By doing so, you can start to focus your activities and your education towards your career goals. It also gives you an endpoint to strive for. It helps you to plan and prepare. You can also identify a community of like-minded people to network with. And it also helps you to start creating an area or field for you to build your knowledge, your skills, and your experiences in. But if your plans change, that's okay. Come visit our Career Services Department, where we can help you to start developing new stepping stones to get you to where you want to go. As you navigate your career road, it is important to make stops to pick up essential tools along the way. Your Career Services team is here to be your guide. So what does the Career Services Department do for you here at CGCC? Well, the Career Services Department supports students in career planning, goal setting, and job seeking strategies. Our Career Services Department is here to support you. Some of the ways that we can do so are through our appointments and also by connecting students to employers and work-based experiences. Our Career Services Department holds appointments that fall into two categories: those that align your career goals to your major, and those for assistance in seeking employment. Choosing a major and career exploration appointments can help to identify your career goals and ensure that you are on the right academic path to achieve them. We offer several appointment topics for job seeking assistance, including resume and cover letter assistance to write or refine your resume or cover letter, job search resource and techniques, and interview preparation resources and techniques appointments. We also have other appointments to help you find and apply for internships, federal work-study jobs on campus, or other work-based experiences. Scheduling an appointment with one of us here in Career Services is easy. Just go to our website at cgc.edu/careers. Career Services also holds workshops throughout the year to build professional skills and help students prepare to enter the workforce. Topics can include resume and cover letter tips and tricks, conducting an informal or career interview, preparing for interviews, creating LinkedIn profiles, designing an elevator pitch, identifying and highlighting your transferable skills, and more. Remember, all workshops are free and available to all of our CGCC students. One of the goals is connecting students with employers. One of the ways in which we do this is hosting career fairs and events throughout the year, which could be virtual or in person. FYE specific and all college career fairs are offered, highlighting full-time and part-time jobs, as well as internships. Please note that links for virtual career fairs go live at the start of each event. Additional events are offered by Career Services, such as Speed Networking, an event in which students are matched with employers or professionals to learn about careers and jobs within their field and expand their networks. Job shadowing opportunities allow students to connect with employers for on-site tours and a day-in-the-life glimpse of a potential career. For those students looking for opportunities to work on campus, we offer an on-campus student worker job fair at both the Pecos and William campuses at the beginning of each fall semester. Stay connected to learn about all of our events. Looking for an internship to help you exercise your classroom knowledge and skills in a real-world work environment? Join our internship campus community. This free online information hub helps students find and acquire internships, provides resources, and allows students to apply for opportunities like our City of Chandler internships. An internship is a great way to test drive your future career, learn essential job skills, network with professionals in your field, and enhance your understanding of your academic curriculum. You can find out about upcoming events by visiting the Career Services website at cgc.edu/careers on the Career Fairs and Events tab. Workshops and events are also posted on the Career Services page on Coyote Connect. Coyote Connect can be accessed from the cgc.edu homepage. Log in and click the Join button on the Career Services page. You will be able to see our upcoming events from your Coyote Connect homepage. We also post announcements in the FYE Canvas communities about upcoming workshops, events, and other opportunities. These activities serve as critical pit stops that provide you with tools to make the ride to your career destination smoother and more efficient. The second way we connect students with employers is through Maricopa Community College's integrated web platform called Maricopa Pipeline AZ. On Maricopa Pipeline AZ, you can explore careers, take a career assessment, and connect with employers for jobs and work-based experiences. If you haven't utilized this resource yet, visit mcccd.pipelineaz.com and click Register to begin to use this great free resource. Once you register for Maricopa Pipeline AZ, you can search for jobs and work-based experiences. To search for jobs, simply hover over the Career Exploration tab located at the top of the page and scroll down and click on the Jobs button. If you prefer to search for an internship, you can click on the Internship tab, which is located on the top of the page. Are you interested in taking a career assessment to see where your interests lie? Once you've created an account on Maricopa Pipeline AZ, you can scroll down to the button that says Take Interest Assessment. This assessment will identify your top 3 fields of interest and give you a resource to learn more about possible career choices and paths. Maybe you're a student who knows what you want to major in, but you're unsure of the careers that are available to somebody in your major. If you hover over the Career Exploration menu and then click on the Careers button, you will be directed to our 9 fields of interest, where you can select View Careers under the field of interest of your choice. This will bring a list up of the top careers within that field of interest. Here you can explore careers that are tied up to your major. Happy exploring! Spend some time exploring the Career Services website to take advantage of all the free resources available to students. You can book appointments with a career advisor. On our Find Jobs and Experiences page, you can discover ways to connect with employers for jobs, internships, and other work-based experiences. The Career Fairs and Events tab also lists the dates for CGCC career fairs and other events, including registration links, and it also directs you to our Coyote Connect calendar. You can find links to helpful career materials and informative websites on our resources page as well. Remember, our Career Services team is here to support you in any way that we can. Many of our services are available online, and we also have offices at both the Williams and Pecos campuses. We're here to help you on your journey to your career.